I don't care what you've been through. I want you to remember this. Life is not about the past. It's about what you choose to do with the future. We all have scars. We all have wounds. But it's the strength to rise above them that defines who we are. You've got to look at yourself in the mirror and see not the broken pieces, but the potential to become whole again. Moving forward means letting go of the weight that's been holding you down. You can't change what's behind you, but you can shape what's ahead. Start by forgiving yourself for the mistakes you've made. Every step, every stumble has brought you to this moment. Take one step at a time and lean on those who support you. Surround yourself with positivity and people who believe in you. Remember, progress isn't always a straight line. There will be setbacks, but with every step forward,